Aloha and welcome to Hawaii Pacific Health's Health Careers Summer Internship Information Session. Thank you for joining us. In this presentation, we will be sharing important information about our internship program. The information presented should answer any questions you may have. However, if you still have questions, we have a list of FAQs available for you to review, as well as contact information for our internship team. To begin, these are the details of the internship program. Our program is open to high school juniors and seniors, as well as current college students. It is a 6-week paid summer internship with the dates listed for our programs on Kauai and Oahu. Interns typically work a full-time schedule, Monday through Friday, and will be located at either our medical centers or shared services departments. We provide this program every summer to give students first-hand experience in the healthcare industry. It also allows participants a chance to learn in depth about departments they're curious about or may not have known exist in healthcare. More information, including the link to our application, can be found online at hawaiipacifichealth.org/summer internship. Please keep in mind the application deadline to ensure your completed application is received.
We will only accept online applications for the summer internship program. A completed application should include the following items. First, an updated resume with your education information, as well as any work or volunteer experience you may have. Second, current transcripts that visibly show your cumulative GPA. If you're entering your freshman year of college, you may include transcripts from your final year of high school. Finally, an essay that clearly answers the questions listed below. You can find these questions on the application.
Next, we'll be going over how to apply online. Applications are available online at the link shown on your screen. When you navigate to that webpage, it will take you here where you can learn more about our program. If you scroll down, you can view this information with some important links. The first set of links includes our instructions for our 3 different applications that are available: Oahu High School, Oahu College, and Kauai High School and College. It's very important to read through these instructions before applying because it contains important information for you to know about how to submit a complete application. Below the instructions, you'll see links to our applications. When you choose to apply, it's also important to ensure you understand the instructions and to apply to the application that is most relevant to you. One important thing to note is that you cannot apply to 2 different applications. For example, if you're available for programs on both Oahu and Kauai, maybe because you have a relative who lives there, you can only choose to apply to one application. Once you click on the application button, it will take you to our job description. Please make sure you read this over carefully, and when you're ready to apply, you can click the Apply Now buttons either at the top or bottom of your page. From there, you can either log in if you have an existing profile or register to create an account. When you're fully logged in or registered, it will take you to this page. You will need to complete all fields indicated with the red asterisk. Our system unfortunately doesn't allow special characters, so if you have any special characters in your name, you may leave them out for now and we can fix that later in the process. Once you complete the registration page, you will move on to the application page. Please fill out all required fields here. Most importantly, please make sure you correctly enter a valid mobile number and valid email address. We send out emails for next steps or if there are any issues with your application. We might also call you during the application process, so please ensure you're also continuously checking your email, phone calls, and voicemail. Another important portion is the talent profile, which is where you will upload and attach your documents. Here, you'll click on Attachments, then Add Attachment. You can then attach your 3 documents, your resume, essay, and updated unofficial transcripts that have your cumulative GPA clearly listed. This is what your screen should look like after you've uploaded all 3 documents successfully. If you're having trouble uploading your documents, it might be the size of your documents. So if you have a PDF that's too large, try your best to minimize it. Once all are uploaded, click Continue. If your application was submitted properly, you should receive an automatic email response saying that we received your application. From there, we will review all applications and be in touch with you for any next steps.
Next, I'll go over the benefits of this program. This program offers a lot of different opportunities. Ultimately, our goal is to provide students with exposure to different careers in healthcare. In school, we mainly learn about doctors and nurses, but we don't often hear about other roles in healthcare that also contribute to a patient's experience. So throughout this internship, we hope you can learn about a variety of healthcare careers and how they all work together to deliver great patient care at our facilities. I'll share a little bit about my own experience in healthcare. I started out as an intern several years ago in this very program. And in high school, I was involved in the health services pathway as well as HOSA. So I knew that healthcare was the field that I was interested in, but I didn't really know which career I wanted to go into. During my internship, I was placed in human resources where I learned a lot about what goes on behind the scenes in a healthcare organization. I enjoyed the work so much that I decided to pursue a career in human resources. Throughout the program, I also learned about other roles like medical assistants, respiratory therapists, and others who all contribute to delivering excellent patient care. And we hope this is something that you can gain from the program as well. Next, we'll be going over some frequently asked questions. So first, what schedule do interns work? Interns work full-time hours during the 6-week program. That schedule will typically look something like Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. What do interns do? This is really going to depend on the department that you're placed in. Interns can help with administrative tasks, so things like helping to answer phones or other computer-based work. We also encourage managers to have interns work on projects, so you may work on quality or process improvement projects as well. In addition to these day-to-day assignments, we also plan workshops for the interns where we'll cover topics like workforce readiness, resume writing, and interview skills. Interns may also have the opportunity to shadow different procedures or healthcare professionals. How much will I get paid? This program is a paid opportunity and pay rate is about minimum wage. In terms of what departments are available, this will vary from year to year. In the past, we've had everything from emergency room, rehab services, to marketing and finance. So we do have both clinical and non-clinical departments available. Will I get to choose what facility and department I intern in? Unfortunately, no. However, during the application and interview process, we learn more about you, your career interests, and your goals. And if you're selected as an intern, we'll use that information to best place you into one of our available departments. Our best advice to you is to keep an open mind. Areas like the emergency room or pediatrics are usually areas that everyone wants to get into, and sometimes we only have 1 or 2 spots available. So we encourage everyone to keep an open mind, especially if you're open to exploring different careers in healthcare. That will wrap up our info session. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our Human Resources office at 808-535-7571. Thanks again for your interest in our Health Careers Summer Internship.